All right, everyone. So I just got my third sleep package. What do I call it? Sleep kit. That's what you want to call it. I haven't had a chance to come on here yet and talk to you about it. Hopefully you saw the other two videos of the sleep kits that I got, and I wanted to show you the third one. I just went ahead after the third one. I just went ahead and canceled it so I don't have to receive anymore. So you can do the same. But I have loved the oils that I've gotten from these kits. They've been so amazing. Some of them I already have, some of them I haven't tried before. So it's been kind of fun to learn about them and start using them in my routine to help me with sleep. I'll tell you what, my sleep is the best it's been in so long. I can't even remember. I am sleeping so good through the night. I'm actually dreaming and I'm not taking any supplements. Like I was having to take supplements all the time to help me sleep. I'm not having to do that right now. So yay, that's been exciting for me. So I'm going to go through the oils that we got in this kit. To start, we have a Serenity, a linen mist. Now, if you've been watching the other videos, you know that Serenity is huge. It's a really good one. This is the one I use every single night on the bottoms of my feet to help me sleep. I also will put a drop on my hand and wipe it on my pillow, but this would be perfect because I can spray it on my pillow before I go to sleep. Yeah, I love Serenity, and this will be great to use. Just spray it over top of the pillow and go to sleep, right? And I love that it's in a little spray bottle. Then I don't have to put the oil, actual oil, on my pillow. We have a Serenity Bath Oil. Let's see if you can see it. This will be great because, again, I take baths, especially the 2 nights before I get up early in the morning. I like to make sure that I'm going to get good sleep. So I'll put this in my bath. I usually use this one or lavender with some Epsom salt and some baking soda. So this is nice. I have a little bath oil that I can just add to the water. A couple drops of this. And oh, one thing I found too, so if you are taking a hot bath before you go to bed and you are experiencing night hot flashes or any type of hot flashes, once you get out of the bathtub, so if you're doing this right before you go to bed, once you get out of the bathtub and you're like hot, jump in the shower with really cold water. You will not experience any hot flashes. That's another thing I've been doing because I noticed when I was taking the hot baths and getting into bed within the next hour or two, I was having a lot of hot flashes because my body was already hot. And as I'm learning more about the hormones, if your body is already hot internally, you're definitely going to have trouble, have more hot, night sweats. So go ahead and take a nice hot bath, then jump in the shower, nice and cold shower real quick, like turn it on, cool, and jump in for maybe 10, 15 seconds, kind of get all over your body, all over your face, and then jump out. And that will help keep away those night sweats. So anyway, this is good for the bath if you want to use that. I also have Peace, a roller bottle. I love the roller bottles. I'm sure you heard me say this because they're just so easy and convenient. You can take them with you anywhere. Easy to put them on, especially if you have sensitive skin. I don't. I can usually put the oils on just directly on my skin, but some people that have sensitive skin, it's good because they have fractionated coconut oil in them. And this is called the Reassuring Blend. And it says to apply to your temples before sleep for an aroma of comfort. So I'm just going to open it up. And I can't smell it. That's really calming. I like that. So that would be a really good one. So just put it on your temples before you go to sleep. One thing to keep in mind too is you don't want to use too many oils at once. Sometimes that can stimulate your system, way overstimulate your system, and it's going to be harder for you to fall asleep at night. So something to keep in mind. I've tried like adding 3 or 4 different oils when I take a bath, and it actually keeps me up at night. So just try 1 or 2. That's why I usually try to stick to 1 or 2 before I go to bed, because we don't want to overstimulate your system too much. Even if they're supposed to be calming, it's still so much that your body's going, whoa, what's going on here? Another roller bottle is Balance. I love this oil. I have loved this oil since the first time I got it. It is a grounding blend. And it says on here, it doesn't say. Anyways, but I love Balance for anytime you feel anxious, anytime you feel nervous. Like, I don't like getting my teeth cleaned. Sounds crazy, but it just makes me, I don't like people in my face. So I will put balance on my wrists and on my chest before I go to the dentist to get my teeth cleaned. It just helps keep me calm. So if you experience a lot of anxiousness or nervousness, this is a really, really, really good oil to use. Balance. I love it. The smell is amazing. It's kind of like a dark blue oil, but I love it. It just, it's really grounding. It really calms you down. I use it anytime I get nervous. Like if I'm going to have to go, when I was in a BNI group and I had to speak in front of everybody, I would use this oil. I mean, there's lots of different times when it's too much stimulation or whatever. Great oil to have. So this one's really good for those types of situations. And we have lavender, which I just talked about, said I use that one in my bath. Lavender is so good for so many things when it comes to calming. Use it in your bath. You can take it internally if you want to put this in like some capsules, because you can buy capsules and put it in there and take it internally. Lavender is really good for allergies. It helps with the sneezing, helps with the runny nose. Lavender is really good for any type of irritated skin. I just got I don't know if you can see it or not, a little bit red, a steam burn from cooking my vegetables this weekend, and I put lavender on it immediately, and I think it's going to go away. I thought it was going to blister up, but actually it feels pretty good. Just a little red, not really irritated. Excuse me. So lavender, like if you do not have lavender in your house, you need to have lavender in your house because you can use it for so many different things. You can even put it in your diffuser at night. You can put it in your diffuser during the day, whatever. Lavender is a must-have for sure. Bergamo Mint. Bergamo Mint. I have not tried this one. This is a new one. This says combine with lotion or another personal care product before bed. I know that bergamot is good for calming. It's not real minty, which is good because I'm not a huge mint fan. But bergamot is good for hormones. It's good for calming. Yeah. And like I said, it's not real minty because usually mint is like more stimulating. So this would be awesome to try. It says, again, combined with lotion or another personal care product. So when it says combine it with lotion, you would just put lotion in your hand. Let's say you were going to put some lotion on your hands before you go to bed or on your bottoms of your feet. Sometimes I do that during the summer because my feet get so dry. Put 1 or 2 drops in that lotion, rub it in and then rub it on. Then it gets right into your system. So and the last one is adaptive. And I think I've talked about this in one of the other kits. Again, another new one that I absolutely love. I actually just ordered the roller bottle again because I love it so much. It's called the Calming Blend, and it's good for a tranquil, calming atmosphere. So Calming Blend. Like I said, I just ordered this one in the roller bottle. The good thing about the roller bottles, so let's say I have my roller bottle, I can order the oil, and then I can just put it in the roller bottle. So again, you can put put fractionated coconut oil. It's just a lot easier to apply. And if you have sensitive skin, it's really good to do that. Something like this, I would just put on the inside of my wrist, which is where I use a lot of them. So when you think about using any of the oils, you want to think back of the neck, inside of the wrists, across the chest, the bottoms of the feet, and around the outside of the ankles. And something I learned, I don't remember if it was from the foot zoning girl person that I had, but you could put any of the oils like on your big toe. That's supposed to help calm things down as well too. But just some little tips. But anyway, back to the adaptive. I love this one. The roller bottle I will put on the inside of my wrist and smell. It's another good one. So if you're feeling anxious, nervousness, things like that, if you have a lot of anxiety, this would be a really good one to use. And the last thing is the gratitude journal. I think it's the same one every time. It has some really good stuff in it. I just wish that it was bigger. So that's just my 2 cents on this. It does on the back of it tell you how to take all the oils. You can see that. So that's kind of nice. And that would be on every gratitude journal. It would be just a little bit different on the back because it would tell you how to use the oils and what to do them. So I guess that's a good reason to have it. I just wish it was bigger. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed learning about these kits. If you have any questions about any of these kits or you'd like to get started with the 3 kits, and remember, you can sign up for them and cancel them at any time. So you can sign up for the 3 kits. And if you decide for the first one, I don't want it, you can cancel it. But I loved all of them. Like I said, it's a really good price for as many oils as you get. And these oils, like you can see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is oil, bath oil. And the roller bottles, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things plus the gratitude journal. Really good price for those. If you buy them individually, they cost a lot more. So just something to think about. If you have any questions about any of these that have to do with sleep or any of the other essential oils, anything that I've talked about, please reach out to me. I love the oils. I love talking about them, and I can help you find the ones that, you don't have to buy all of them. You could, and if you just want to pick some specific for certain things you have going on, we can just do that. So let me know, reach out to me, and have a great rest of your day. Thanks for listening to my videos. I appreciate you.